All right, for those tech savvy folks that are out there and you want to know how to do some of this stuff on your calculator, when we're looking for imaginary numbers on our calculator, it actually works to do all the imaginary numbers that you can imagine you wanted to do. When I look at, by the way, this calculator that I brought up on my computer is at Emeott. You can download all of this stuff right to your computer, so you don't have to drag your graphing calculator around with you. And I don't know, you probably can figure out a way to put it on your cell phone or something, I imagine. If you take a look at this and you say, well, what if I do 5 plus 3, and then you have an I button on your calculator, but you have to make sure that you're in the right mode. So go to mode, and you see right here this A plus BI mode. If I go down to that and I click on that, now I quit out, I can do 5 plus 3i, and so I is right down here above your period. So I do second period 5 plus 3i, and you know, maybe I want to put parentheses around it, so I do a little insert of a parenthesis, and I do 5 plus 3i plus 6 minus 2i. I don't know, something like that. If you do that, you end up with 11 plus I, and it does the work for you. What if you multiplied them? What if you did 5 plus 3i times 3 minus 2i? Well, it would multiply that whole thing out for you. It does all the foiling work for you and makes your life a whole heck of a lot easier. So your calculator has all of those abilities to do, and you just got to fool around with it a little bit, and it'll be great. So take a look at that. Try that. Make sure you put it in the I mode, and remember your I is this I, not the I that follows alphabetical order, not that green I right there. It's the blue one down here. And if you do that, it'll do all your multiplication, all your adding, all your subtracting for you. Just have to know it's there. Good luck.